Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this session, I'm going to show you how how trading during the session is like. Yes, so I grew this account from $60. The first setup I took it $60 to $191. So this one was my second setup. As you can see, it was a B plus setup. So there I was waiting for a close above that 1 hour. So that one was a key level. Was waiting for a test, and if price closed above the last bullish, you can see the last 1 hour bullish candle. If price closed above that high, I would buy. So I took my sales. As you can see, the account was $191. Guys, if you want to do like this, you must have skill. Yeah, and this skill, it has taken me a lot of time. It has taken me 5 years to master it. So that is why it is very simple for me to identify these patterns with ease. Also, discipline is something that we can't ignore. We can't ignore forex. Yeah, discipline to react when you're supposed to react without hesitation. Yes, and not to have itchy fingers. You know what itchy fingers is? Itchy fingers is somebody who can't stop looking at the charts. You want to execute all the time. You must have a plan. Okay, must have a plan. Follow your plan. As you can see, that was my trade. I was taking 3R on this trade. So this account, I started it from $60 to 181 on the first bullish setup, which you saw there on my MetaTrader. Right now I'm doing a voiceover because that time I couldn't record when talking because my focus. That is why I'm choosing not to be live trading, because when I'm talking during the live sessions, I find myself distracted, and I'm more of a scalper. So my focus is supposed to be. As you can see, our risk was very, very minimal. This is gold, and I'm trading with a risk of 15 pips stop loss, 10 pips stop loss, 20 pips stop loss. Yeah, that is why you can see that I'm using those lots, because I have a smaller stop loss. So here I was waiting for the 1 hour close. I was waiting for the 1 hour close so that I will know whether I'll continue holding the sales or I'm gonna look for buy setup. So I'm more of a scalper, and scalping takes experience. You must have experience and you must have skill. First, after I learned my skill, I traded. I used to use the 1 hour time frames. Then I went to 15 minutes time frames. Now I'm a scalper. Being a scalper, you must have quick decision making, and quick decision making, you can't have quick decision making if you're not experienced. You must see these setups in your fingertips all the time. You must identify them with ease. Okay. So this channel, subscribe to my channel. This channel is whereby we trade with we trade with clarity, not emotions all the time. Consider consider joining my trading community, my WhatsApp trading community. Yeah, join. The link is on my YouTube profile. So here I was looking at the 1 hour, I was waiting for the 1 hour close. I was waiting for the 1 hour close. This is 1 minute. This is 1 minute chart, and the 1 hour close is these candlesticks that you can see on the right side. Those are the 1 hour charts, the 1 hour candlesticks. So here I was in a position whereby I was in a position whereby at this point I was in a position whereby I was seeing like bulls are going to take control of the market, but I wanted to exit those sales if I see a clear, if I if I saw a clear close, if I saw a clear close above the 1 hour, the last bullish 1 hour candle. The reason whereby I took this sell, you can see that we also had buyers coming in at 30%, and that's why we were selling with that volume. So this is the 1 hour. So I used that line chart so that I used that line chart so that I will see the real open. They are saying if price closes below, we are going to continue holding the sells, and if price closed above, we are going to continue with buys. Guys, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and joining our community on WhatsApp. The link is on my YouTube profile. So as you can see, I had not recorded those trades, but I'll be doing more of recording this trade, and then I do voiceovers later on. Yeah. So on Wednesday I took 10 setups. I had 6 wins and 4 losses. Yeah, and as you can see, the 1 hour did close above the last volume candle up. We had price closed above the last volume candle up. So here I was looking at what is price doing. What is price doing? Okay. So here I knew that buyers are now coming. I knew that buyers are coming in. As you can see, the buyers came, rebalanced that key level, and you can see the volume candles that we are having. So I closed the sales. I closed the sales at around, we're going to see, an open buy position. So I closed the sales, and the account grew from 191 to 75, and then I opened the buy positions. as you can see. So as a trader, you must be dynamic, and you must be very good at change, identifying change. Okay, yeah, you must be dynamic to change all the time. So not sticking to one decision because you saw a sell setup, the market is going to sell. No, that doesn't happen. You react according to what price is telling you. Okay, you react according to what price is telling you, and price tells you narratives. Follow that narrative. Okay, follow that narrative. As you can see, our buy positions, no drawdown. So as you can see, we hit 3R. The setup hit 3R. The setup hit 3R. You can see that the buyers were coming in. So here the news was about to be released, the CPI. The CPI was supposed to be released at 3:30. This was before 3:30 East African time. As you can see, that was our setup. So I closed those trades and I grew that account from $60 to 560. Yeah, scalping gold. So thank you for watching this video. If you find the video insightful, consider subscribing to the channel. Yes, let's see what happened. So here you can see after release the news brought a lot of volume. The CPI, the CPI, the CPI news. As you can see, news came in and volume took our setup. So as you can see, we secured 3R and this setup would have secured even 10R. But we maintained our discipline. Okay, because also there's a trade that I was taking, and I was targeting 3R at the first time, and then I later saw that this setup has a potential of going up to 5R. Then I decided I'm going to extend my take profits. And and when I did that, price went to 3R and then it is back to my entry, and I had to get out with no profits because of greed. Okay, because of greed. So always follow the plan. If the plan says it's 4R, is if your plan says it's 3 hours, it's 3 hours. You can see in scenarios whereby I'm increasing my RR, as you can see, like this first buy setup, the green line was supposed to be my entry, okay? But then I had to refine because I had another area on a lower time frame. So in that scenario, I can increase my RR. Even this first sell, you can see that level. Those are scenarios whereby I can increase my RR. Okay, but extending my take profit beyond this Fibonacci is where I drew the line. So, a lot of guys are asking me how where I learned this strategy from. Me, my strategy, I've learned my trading system from experience. Yes, I've combined, I've combined a couple of concepts that I've learned during my trading journey, and I came up with this trading system. So here we are looking at liquidity based on time. You can see that liquidity based on time is always considered. So if you want to learn about liquidity, my advanced concepts about liquidity based on time, you can consider joining my mentorship. Yep. So if you find the video insightful, consider joining our free WhatsApp community. The link is on my YouTube profile, and like the video and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.